A very good morning to Dr. Noor Faridatul. We are from Group 4 and today we are going to present our company, which is Mediterranean Shipping Company, which is also known as MSC. Now let us talk about the company background. MSC was founded in 1970 as a sole proprietorship by Gianluigi Aponte, which he is from Trento when he bought his first ship. MSC is the second largest container shipping company in the world and operates 376 vessels and has a total capacity of 1,250,000 20-foot equivalent unit. In 2007, the company was named Shipping Company of the Year for the sixth time by Lloyd's Loading List, which is an achievement unmatched by any other shipping company. Not only that, MSC also operates in over 270 ports in 6 continents and it has 350 local affairs offices with a workforce of 29,000. Now, let us talk about the market analysis of MSC. According to Alpha Linus data on the world's ocean fleet, the Mediterranean Shipping Company is currently the biggest ocean carrier in terms of operating container vessels capacity. This is due to MSC has experienced significant expansion recently, largely due to the introduction of massive newly constructed container ships. As a result, MSC holds a global market share of 17%. The world's largest container shipping line, MSC, recently has announced that it is creating an air cargo solution in response to current market demand. The announcement claims that MSC Air Cargo, which has been in development for a while, will debut in early 2023 with the delivery of the first of 4 Boeing 777-200F aircraft emblazoned with the MSC logo and operated by Atlas Air, a branch of Atlas Air Worldwide Holdings Incorporation. That is all from me. I will pass it on to the next person.
Next part is current global logistics analysis operation. The best shipping system in the world is owned by MSC. This is due to fact that MSC has managed 480 enterprises with over 280,000 people throughout 155 nations. More than 200 routes have been traveled by MSC ship. Using key performance indicator, customer may assess the effectiveness of its vendor and logistic operation (KPI). Our logistic operation scope include inbound and outbound operation, inventory management, order management, key performance indicator, and specific operation hours. Housing and distribution. Company offer a design specifically to meet the demand of its client business model. DC material, DC component, finance assembly, and plant warehouse. The final item will go through process in DC before being dispatched direct to the customer shop.
Now I will explain about the issues found in current global logistic structure of MSC company. The first issue will be accuracy of information. This issue occurs when there are fragmented communication in the company. Fragmented communication means that the skill and business's information quality issues within a workplace as well as unintegrated applications. Secondly, these issues may cause problems like confusion, doubt, and reliance. And this can seriously affect the management of logistic activities in the company. From the analysis of global logistic structure and of the company, we found out that operation process may encounter issues like accuracy of information when processing orders, exchanging data with clients, and distributing goods. Whereas as for the part of warehousing, DC materials, DC components, and final assembly might encounter these issues of inaccuracy of information. The first strategy that we advise for MSC company is having access to the appropriate technology. This issue can be eliminated by using technological tools for efficient communication and visibility that are accessible to customers. In order to make sure the process of logistic activities are smooth and successful, it is important to make sure a good use of technology so that it can reduce the intermediaries between logistic activities. Furthermore, it is also important that the organization department of the shipping company, which is MSC company, that to ensure every information between every department must be well and clearly communicated so that the supply chain activities involved are accurate. However, it is also important that the company must have stable and strong financial resources in order to cope with high capital to adapt new technologies. By having this strategy to solve these issues on accuracy of information, the final customer who is expecting a delivery from the company can access to the product as it travels through the various stages of production and distribution by the technology owned by the company.
I am Akma and I will explain about next issue. The second issue is attack of piracy. Piracy an act of robbery or criminal violence by ships. An MSC container ship has reported they get attacked in the Gulf of Guinea off the coast of Nigeria. MSC Mendy also report that they has been attacked on January 2019 at the same place. This piracy attack gives danger to crew and leads to the delays of ships. It also gives damages to vessels and cargo. Strategy to prevent this piracy attack is by tighten the ship protection by the safety department of MSC company. First, they need to watchkeeping and enhance vigilance. MSC company can consider a shorter rotation in order to maximize alertness of lookout. MSC should improve physical barrier by using razor wire to create an effective barrier. Razor wire should be constructed outward of ship structure to make it more difficult for pirates to hook their ladders on the ships. Company should enhance bridge protection because bridge is usually the focus for any piracy attack. For example, company should provide Kevlar jackets and helmet for bridge team.
The third issue is malware attack. Firstly, the main customer-facing website of MSC were offline for several days as a result of a malware assault that resulted in data center outage. Secondly, MSC claimed that the outage only impacted its headquarters in Geneva and which had an impact on MSC.com as well as certain internal operation. Thirdly, there are no effects on MSC division as well as no delays within cargo flow. Consumer can still make reservation via operational internet booking services like Intra. Lastly, according to MSC, there has been a great process in finding a fix for the network outage in Geneva, and its team of experts will continue to until it resolved. So, the strategy of malware attack is improve cybersecurity. Firstly, find the gaps in your current cybersecurity strategy. MSC must start by developing a specific plan that is recorded. Secondly, give the staff security awareness to develop a security culture in which best training are incorporated through all interaction and procedure. Thirdly, businesses go beyond simple awareness training and engage in attack scenarios by learning about the software product, services, platform that IBM utilizes for training. Lastly, MSC company needs to stop thinking about the problem as mobile security and start to treat it as a simple security, making mobile security as the standard.
As conclusion, although the Mediterranean Shipping Company was declared as the company that possesses the best shipping system in the world, the company will still face inevitable internal problems. Immediate actions from the company and cooperation between all parties involved is needed to tackle the issues with high rates of success. Therefore, the action indirectly will strengthen its market shares in the global level. So that is all from us, Group 4. Thank you.